Hello and welcome to your mom's favorite channel. And today we'll be doing things a little bit differently. And I think we all know by now that some people are going a bit crazy and there's some heavy shit going down in the world right now. And instead of panic buying, I'll show you what you need to make your immune system nice and strong, just for in case. But let's head down to the shop and get some food that will boost your immune system. So personally, I think the fresher the food, the more it will benefit you. So first up, we've got citrus fruit. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, naartjies. Citrus is great to boost your immune system. Pomegranates, just as good. Watermelon, spinach, any leafy greens, kale, bok choy, herbs, and a good rule of thumb is to try and eat the rainbow. And that ensures that you're getting a huge variety of different nutrients and minerals that will keep you healthier for longer. Sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene that converts to vitamin A, which is great for your skin. Peppers and chilies are a great source of vitamin C, and they are also anti-inflammatory. Ginger and garlic are both antibacterial, and they also benefit your circulatory system, and they taste pretty good. Yeah, this aisle. Pumpkins are high in antioxidants and also contain a lot of vitamins. This pumpkin was only 25 Rand, where if you bought pre-cut, it's 20 Rand. If you have access to one of these self-help stations, make use of it. The spices tend to be much fresher and a lot cheaper this way, but you can obviously also use the pre-packaged stuff if you don't have access to one of these. Barley has antimicrobial, anti-carcinogenic, and antioxidant properties. Lentils are high in protein but also help keep your digestion in good shape, and the same goes for sauerkraut. Mushrooms contain selenium, which increases the production and activity of white blood cells. Tea contains a lot of antioxidants, but it may also help improve the health of your bones. And as you browse around, you might find some specials. Mayo! Anyways, so today I got spices, nuts, leafy greens, barley, 2 cans of lentils, sauerkraut, tomatoes, peppers, sweet potato, 2 jars of mayo, a pumpkin, and I forgot to add 2 avos, 3 lemons, and pasta, all for 346 Rand. And the food doesn't have to be boring at all. Like, make a basil pesto, but then add some spinach into it. And I got some of these almond slithers today, and a good friend gave me this bag of nuts all the way from Qatar. And cashews are very versatile. Seeds are a good source of proteins and fats. You can use some of them in baking or making puddings. Mushrooms can be put into pretty much everything, and you even get them as stocks and powders. Sauerkraut or any fermented foods like kimchi, tempeh, soy sauce, sriracha, miso paste all contain a lot of probiotics, which is a great way to keep your gut nice and healthy. This is a homemade almond butter that I made. It's just nice to have around, and it's similar to making tahini with sesame seeds. Coconut oil contains medium chain triglycerides, which combat viruses, fungi, bacteria, and even some parasites. If you want to buy stuff in bulk and save some money, go to Indian and Asian markets. This 5kg bag of basmati was only 150 bucks, 45 Rand for a kilogram of red kidney beans, a kilogram of chana flour, it's chickpea flour, and it only costs 40 Rand. And 45 Rand for a kilogram of dried chickpeas. And stuff like this soup mix and dried lentils only cost about 15 Rand for 500 grams or so. And they're great to add to any stews or soups. And stock up on some flour just in case you have to make your own bread. Oats has very similar properties to barley, and if you're making porridge or something, you might need some milk. And the cool thing about plant-based milk is that you can keep them for pretty long. These are still okay till about the end of the year. Anyway, here's someone who wants to say something. Nori, tell us what you have on your mind, girl. No, Nori, kitties and doggies are okay. You will be safe through this. Oh, thank you for the tips, Nori. Yeah, I agree with her. If we all work together and not panic, use some common sense and be mindful, we might all be a bit safer. Exactly. Nori, I appreciate you. You're a good kitty, and I think you deserve a treat. That's the microphone, Nori. Come, Nori, take it. No, not scratchy. Yeah, yes. Oh, okay. Enjoy. Anyway, to you watching this video, please stay safe and diligent. Here's a quick curry recipe that will help boost your immune system. So, Nori, let's say goodbye. Okay, to the recipe we go. You'll notice that a lot of the ingredients that I'm using in this curry is some of the immune boosting foods that I mentioned earlier.
Just a fun little tip, when cooking, it's always nice to have a bowl where you can throw all the waste in, like the skins, seeds, stems, plastic wrappers. It just keeps it a bit more organized while cooking. Enough, fuck. In case you didn't know, some vegetable peelers have this little hoop on the side, and that's just to help you take out these little bad bits like this, so you just dig them out. This sweet potato was pretty big, so I only used half of it. The rest I put in the freezer until I need it again. Don't forget to drink water. Water is essential to life. It will keep you hydrated and help to flush out any toxins and yucky things in your body. And it might also be in your best interest just to avoid alcoholic drinks for the meantime. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends. And if you like these recipes, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in a comment below. And as always, be safe and see you in the next one. Peace!